Hey friends! For those of you who don't know me, I'm Stephanie Faith of At Earth Faith Love, and today I'm here to show you how to make a foaming hand soap. We start with our 8-ounce container, and I've already pre-filled this with water. I use water from my tap since we go through so much hand soap in our house. I'm not worried about the water getting old quickly. And so go ahead, and I make it as hot as you can make it just out of the tap. I don't boil it or anything like that, but the heat helps the ingredients to blend. So we start with our container here, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of pure Castile soap. And this is, I don't get any scents added. I just get pure unscented Castile soap. So that's our first ingredient. And then it calls for 1/2 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. And what I do with my vegetable glycerin is I take my 1 teaspoon and I go ahead and I fill that only about halfway. So if your measurements aren't 100% correct, that's okay. And then we're gonna add 10 to 15 drops of our essential oil, which I'm having trouble opening. Here we go. So today, we're using purification. That's what I like in our hand soap. So I'm gonna just go ahead, my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And as you can see, I'll hold it up there. As you can see, it just fills up about 1 teaspoon. And I go ahead and I add that to my soap and I stir it in. It is that easy. I'm all done. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.